If you're seeking a high-quality frying pan that offers durability, health-conscious design, and non-stick ease, this Gotham Steel 9.5-inch non-stick frying pan is a must-consider option. With over 30 million satisfied customers, Gotham Steel has a strong reputation for delivering top-tier cookware, and this pan is no exception. Boasting a unique ceramic non-stick coating reinforced with synthetic diamond particles, this pan ensures excellent cooking results while being incredibly easy to maintain. Here's everything you need to know about why this pan stands out from the competition. Unpacking the key features. 1. Superior non-stick coating with diamond reinforcement. Gotham Steel's non-stick coating is designed for ultimate convenience. The cooking surface is coated 3 times and reinforced with diamond particles to deliver an exceptionally smooth and resilient surface. Imagine effortlessly cooking eggs, pancakes, or sautéing vegetables without any sticking. This non-stick capability means you don't need additional oil or butter, promoting healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or ease of cleanup. 2. Health and safety first. In today's world, choosing a non-toxic cookware option is a priority. Gotham Steel's T-Cerama coating is completely free of PFOA, PFOS, lead and cadmium, ensuring a safe cooking experience day after day. This makes it an excellent choice for health-conscious consumers who want to eliminate the risk of toxic chemicals leaching into their food while cooking. 3. Built for durability. One standout feature of the Gotham Steel frying pan is its durability. The addition of diamond-like particles makes the coating exceptionally tough, allowing it to withstand metal utensils, spatulas, whisks, and even electric beaters without scratching. This durability ensures that the non-stick surface will remain effective for years, making it a reliable investment for your kitchen. 4. Effortless cleanup with dishwasher safety. Cleaning up after cooking can often feel like a chore, but Gotham Steel has made it easier. The pan is dishwasher safe, meaning you can simply place it in the dishwasher after cooking for hassle-free cleanup. Even if you choose to wash it by hand, the non-stick surface makes removing food residue a breeze. 5. Versatile and oven-safe. This 9.5-inch pan is designed for various cooking tasks. From preparing sunny-side-up eggs to searing steaks, it's a versatile tool suitable for most stovetop tasks, excluding induction. Moreover, it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to finish dishes in the oven without transferring them to another dish. This makes it ideal for recipes that require a stovetop-to-oven transition. 6. Stay cool ergonomic handles. Gotham Steel's thoughtful design includes stainless steel handles that stay cool to the touch, even during stovetop cooking. The Y-shaped design of the handles promotes heat escape, adding comfort and safety. Plus, the ergonomic shape makes it easy to handle, whether you're flipping pancakes or transferring the pan to the oven. 7. Even heat distribution for perfect cooking results. A common issue with many frying pans is uneven heat distribution, which can lead to burned spots or undercooked areas. The Gotham Steel pan is made with an aluminum composition and features a unique spiralized bottom, ensuring heat is evenly distributed throughout the cooking surface. This design eliminates dead zones and hot spots, allowing you to cook food consistently. Benefits and use cases. Healthy cooking. With a non-stick surface that requires little to no oil, this pan is perfect for those looking to cut down on fats and promote a healthier lifestyle. Effortless cleaning. The dishwasher-safe construction means less time spent on post-meal cleanup. Multi-purpose cooking. This 9.5-inch pan is the perfect size for daily cooking needs, from morning omelets to dinner stir-fries. Long-lasting investment. The diamond-reinforced non-stick coating ensures years of reliable use, making it a durable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Why choose Gotham Steel? Gotham Steel is a brand known for pushing the boundaries of non-stick technology. Their use of diamond-like reinforcement particles and commitment to creating non-toxic, easy-to-use cookware has made them a household name in kitchens worldwide. The pan's sleek copper finish also adds an aesthetic touch, complementing any kitchen decor. Is it worth it? With the Gotham Steel 9.5-inch non-stick frying pan, you're not just purchasing a pan, you're investing in convenience, health, and longevity. If you're looking for a dependable non-stick frying pan that makes cooking and cleanup easier, this pan is an ideal choice. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, This pan caters to all cooking levels and brings a professional touch to your kitchen. Final verdict. In conclusion, the Gotham Steel 9.5-inch nonstick frying pan delivers impressive performance, thoughtful design, and reliable durability. With its advanced nonstick technology, easy maintenance, and health-focused materials, this pan is perfect for the modern kitchen. If you're tired of dealing with food sticking or difficult cleanups, it's time to upgrade to the Gotham Steel pan and experience hassle-free cooking. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Don't let your cookware hold you back. The Gotham Steel 9.5-inch nonstick frying pan is here to redefine convenience and quality in your kitchen. Order yours today and experience the difference in your everyday meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.